Hi guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci. This is the first wig of 2022 featuring my favorite Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair is going to do it for me every single time. I absolutely love this hair. I love this texture. I love the melt. You guys, this is such a great throw on and go wig. I'm here for it. Let me just briefly step back so you guys can see these juicy curls. Like, we got a little water wave. All I have to do is put water in it. All I have to do is braid my hair before I go to sleep. Like, baby, did you want me to get up close? You know what I mean? Like, this hair is giving its all mine. I love it. I thought I wanted to put some layers in it. Like, let's Beyonce. Okay, I am talking a lot because I'm super excited. Hope you guys enjoy this install. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So we're back with another Love Me Hair wig install. The wig is not glued down on my head yet. I'm in my room and here's my come say hi.
I'm coming.
No, on the bed.
No, on the bed. Check. Hi.
Okay. This is what the wig is looking like on my head. Do remember, I bleached the knots and I didn't pluck the hairline, but I bleached the knots. Because some people are like, why isn't my wig like yours? And I bleached the knots and let it air dry. This texture is everything. So this is what the hairline looks like. I did not pluck the hairline. Normally I would.
Let me feel the texture.
Oh, Sully, no. So it's giving scalpy. The pattern, let me just step back. I love it. It's giving body wave.
I like it.
I put a little conditioner in it and I'm here for it. So let's just install this bad boy
I like it.
together.
I like it.
You like it? Good.
It's beautiful. You look like Barbie.
Okay, so I'm actually going to go on with my Homie Down Sport. I really didn't like the, what's the name that they had on it? The little wand, you know? We're gonna take our time. I'm just going in with one layer. Okay, so once our glue gets tacky and or turns white, we're going to put on our wig. We are clear. So Houston, we can take, I'm just playing, we can take off now. I don't want my forehead that cut off. Okay. Just put that on that glue.
Flap it, flap it, flap it. Flap it like a pizza.
So we're gonna just take this just to kind of let it melt in because I only went in with one layer of glue. While we wait, I just want you to briefly see like the parting space because you do have some. It's not that like bold, but it is pretty deep on the sides. See how deep that side is, and it's like that on all sides. Like, this is going to be a very easy throw on and go wig. Typically after I done them on camera and glued them down, then they're perfect and easy for me to just throw them on and make them glueless. Okay, so this is what it's giving before we cut this lace off. So I'm gonna briefly cut it off, and what I'm gonna do is take this razor and I'm going to go down. Okay, so just briefly, here is it cut versus this is cut and this is not cut. The lace is super melty. And just briefly, so you guys can see how I am cutting, I'm getting as close to the hairline as possible. And then I swipe down. I successfully cut the lace off. This was a super easy wig to manipulate. There was areas that I needed to spot touch up with the glue, so I did that. I really love this curl pattern. Like, this has been the curl pattern that I have been looking for. Like, I've done a lot of water wave textures, but they've given the illusion that the water wave has been manipulated, or you know what I mean? This is given like somebody's water wave, they donated the hair, you know what I mean? Like, I can just braid it up at nighttime and it's gonna be beautiful. So I love textures like this. Okay, so just taking off the elastic. It's giving scalp. It's giving no baby hairs. Y'all know me, I don't love baby hairs. So this is what it just looks like. Straight out, not doing nothing. Debating on if I'm going to spray the hairline. So we got the spray ready. And you guys can see my hairline is halfway out. And it's not even a necessity, but we're doing it. Let's just like spray it. And I'll go on top. Now, the longer you keep this on, the better. Like, if I didn't have on makeup, this would be the time to do the makeup. The tighter the better, the everything the better. Okay, so now while we wait, I'm gonna just determine like how I want to wear my hair. I feel like if I do nothing, just wear it as is, I'll be able to like throw it from side to side. But you guys know me, I love a good classic middle. Okay, so you guys can see the part. We don't gotta do nothing to it. Okay, so we're gonna just take some of our powder. Okay, so since we're going with the middle part, I'm gonna just take my powder, and it's actually not necessary, but I'm going to a nighttime party. Oh, we're gonna take our Nairobi. Okay, you guys, this is what the final hair looks like. I did no baby hairs. As you guys can see, it looks gorgeous. Of course, you could just take a comb and fix it up a bit, but personally, combing it backwards and keeping it as natural looking as possible is where it looks most natural. I love this hair. Like when I tell you I love the texture, I love everything. I'm just kind of scooting back so you guys can see it in its full glory. If you want it even more defined, go on ahead and put more Nairobi into your hair, but I like the volume. I am here for it. When I say this is going to be my everyday throw in and go wig, and I want you guys to know I do utilize all of my wigs. Some people are like, oh, can you do a giveaway? Can you sell them? Every wig I normally reuse, unless I put it up on, let's say, my Poshmark Depop, and then I have a Poshmark, a Depop, and a Mercury, whatever. So I have all of those platforms that I do normally resell things, but I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.